All right, so our new package has arrived from the US. Let's see what we've got. New arrivals, laptops, headphones. In fact, we can also teach you how to import these things from the US. Let's see. Wow, here's what we've got. This is interesting. Oh my goodness. Ah, this is big. This is the HP ZBook 17 inches G5. This comes with 16 gig dedicated, Chika. 16 gig dedicated. Wow. This is a professional grade laptop. Wow. This is beautiful. Let's see what we have. What we have. Let's see. They really sealed these things from the US. This is another 16 gig dedicated. So if you are a professional, an architect, an engineer, and you need heavy machine, here comes another ZBook. Let's see. Oh, they really sealed this thing, Chica. And they protected it. So these are directly from the US. Let's see if we can open this thing. I don't know how they seal this. Is this celluloid film that they use? Wow. And these laptops are clean. So this is another ZBook 17, the G5 or the G6 model, the Core i7. This also comes with 16 gig dedicated graphic card. And the i7, the two of them are i7, 16 gig, 32 gig RAM, all of them. Wow, this is beautiful. So this is what we do at DANKATSON-COMPUTERs. We import direct from the US. So when you're buying, buy with peace of mind, you know? Look at them. Look at them. So this is the 15-inch model. And this one comes with 4 gig dedicated. Also 9 gen, all of them. This is 9 gen. You can see the spec sheet here. This is beautiful. Wow. We have all ZBooks for 4 gig dedicated. G5. This is not the studio. So we have the studio, we have the full-fledged ZBook G5. This is the full-fledged ZBook. Oh my goodness. New arrivals. Direct from the US. Let's see what we got. Ah, this is another ZBook. This is the 11 gen ZBook. We call it the ZBook 14 G8. So this is it. You can see that. Wow. We have them in numbers. That is what we do at DANKATSON-COMPUTERs. Another ZBook 14. You can see that. Very sharp. This is a Core i5. 11 gen as well. Let's see. This our shipment is more of ZBook shipment now. Wow. Another ZBook. This is the G8 11 gen Core i7. Oh, this is sharp. Looks beautiful. This is beautiful. Let's see. What have we got? What have we got here? What have we got here? Oh my goodness. Microsoft Surface laptop. This is Microsoft Surface laptop. This is laptop 2, the black. This should be the 8th gen Core i5. Very beautiful, sleek touchscreen, face unlock, and lots of it. All of this, we are going to review them in a later date for you people to see. This is what we have. So here comes the JLab. Oh my goodness. Whoa, whoa. So these are the JLabs earbuds. We have 9 pieces of them all. So if you're for your gym workouts and other things, we have JLabs 9 pieces of them. Look at them. Shouldn't let them see. We have 9. It's supposed to be 9. So this is the 9th one. So we have enough products for you to buy. And here comes the Sony XM3. Oh, so this is the XM4. This is the Sony XM4. So these are industry leading headsets for noise cancelling, active noise cancelling, and other things. Very beautiful, powerful. You can see them. Makes sense. It's very comfortable. Sony XM4. Oh my goodness. We have the Bose. So this is the Bose QC45. Quiet Comfort 45. Also industry leading headset. Very powerful, sweet. My goodness. Let's see. We have a lot of packages. And these are the XM3s. The Sony XM3s. Here we have them. We have about 5 pieces of this. See? These are industry leading noise cancelling headphones. Original, direct, genuine headphones, not fake. You see them? Come on, buy from Dankatson Computers and you'll not regret. These are direct from the US. Are these supposed to be 4? They're supposed to be 5. I'm seeing 4 here. This headset are supposed to be 5, not 4. They gave me only 4. No. So these are the chargers for the HP. Let's see the chargers. So those HP chargers, the 17 inches, you can see the charger. These are the chargers. We have the chargers, power cords, cable for the VBook 14. So this is what we have here. My goodness. Wow. Come and buy from Dankatson Computers and you're buying with peace of mind. You enjoy our products. Just come and give them a try. Thank you.